Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap at Target Trading Academy. Today is February 16th. It is Wednesday, just after 4 p.m. Let's get into it with micro oil. Micro oil, as a side note, has dipped down quite a bit since its close, but it opened gap up, if you believe it or not. And we had major support and resistance off of our areas that we give that held quite a bit. You can just see how well they held within the first 15 minutes of the market open, and then the buyers stepped in, and just before lunch we found our top, and then from then on they just melted down, and then well through the close and beyond. Right now they have gone lower, but we did finish net positive in oil compared to yesterday, as we did open gap up. It'd be interesting to see what the market brings in oil in the overnight, but that's not for this video. Going on into gold here, micro gold. We opened inside of yesterday's range, and the buyers just melted up. It was pretty choppy. Only a handful of entries, if they're valid or not. That's for discussion in our rooms. But whether or not they were valid, those levels you can see are holding extremely well. Gold finishing net positive for the day. Now, the action that occurred today was in our equities, not in the morning, but more so in the afternoon after the Fed announcements, the FOMC. So we opened in balance compared to yesterday's range and close, so not much going on. It was pretty choppy in the morning. Winners at our edges, 2 right there, 3, 4, and then you can see it just gets choppy, and then lunch comes, and we make some new lows, and then those, that's the news that's come out. And look at the span of this. This is 1 minute, 2 minutes. So it goes from almost the bottom of the day to almost the top of the day, back down, and then from then on it just started melting up. Boom. You can just see it melting up. So yeah, we did finish net positive for the day. It was pretty choppy in the morning, and it wasn't really until after the 2 o'clock news that we get any real volatility in the markets. The same can be said for the NASDAQ as well. We opened inside of yesterday's range. Let me get back to it a little farther. There you go. You can see that we opened inside of yesterday's range, and then selling took place. Boom, monster winner off of our levels that we gave out the night before. I don't know how many times I had to tell you guys this. One winner there, another winner on the way down for a short. They found a floor, and they do test it later on several times. As you can see, test, and then they, melted up. And then that 2 o'clock news announcement, you can just see the volatility kick in. So they had another test here. Look at the time frame on this. That's 2 minutes. Boom. Almost making the high of the day, and then coming back down within that 2 minutes. That's news for you. That's not something you want to be playing in at that time. But the volatility continues, and it melted up, making some new highs for the day. Some new highs compared to yesterday. And we do finish net positive for the day. Not by much, but we did finish net positive today in the NASDAQ as well. So that's today's Micros Market Recap in a nutshell. Pretty quick one today for you. If you're interested in finding out more information about these HVA levels that we give our students out each night for them to trade off of, or if you don't even know what they are, I recommend go checking out Patrick's videos of the wins, losses, and break-evens. You'll get more of an introduction of what we're doing with them if you have no idea what trading is in general. But new experience, whatever level you're at, feel free to reach out to us. We are a trading education company. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with a representative there. And once you're talking with them, you'll quickly realize why we are the #1 trading education company in the world, and why we have so many live, successful students who are trading off of our methodologies in our rooms every day. We look forward to seeing you there.